Here are 5 useful features in the Suzuki Vitara that will surprise you and help you in your everyday driving. Let's get started. Number 1. The trunk along with its foldable floor. As you can see, to increase the trunk's capacity, we can use 2 different floor levels. By default, I have it set up like this. However, if we want to maximize the available storage capacity, we adjust the floor panel down to its lowest possible position. So, what's more, in the trunk area, we have generously sized storage pockets on both sides, handy hooks on the left and right, a convenient charging socket, and a bright light. Number 2, the pockets. Huge pockets on each side. As you can see, you can easily fit even a 1.5 liter bottle of water here. A super helpful feature for longer trips. Number 3, the physical climate control panel. As you can see, the climate control panel is in a central location, in a very convenient spot for your right hand, so you can easily adjust the climate settings or turn it off. You don't have to look for anything on the touch screen. Everything you need is easy to access with these physical buttons. Number 4, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are available wirelessly. As you can see, my phone is now connected via Apple CarPlay, and there are no messy cables being used here at all. It is very easy to set up wirelessly, and we can enjoy the convenience of using our smartphone in the car. And number 5, amazing visibility. You sit high up, the pillars are narrow, and the windows are vertical. It's exceptionally easy to get around the city in the Suzuki Vitara. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.